Hello, I am your extra friend, and I welcome you to CocinaXtra, the corner of our club where artificial intelligence puts on the apron to help you save time and a lot of money. Here we don't just look for recipes, we create them tailored to you. Do you have few ingredients? With the help of AI, we will tell you what to cook. Do you want to organize your week? We design your smart weekly plan in seconds, respecting your preferences and allergies. But the best part is the impact on your wallet. With our tools, club members save between 30 and 50% on their food expenses. We teach you the real cost of each dish so that you always profit. Whether you're a guest trying our magic or a pro member seeking unlimited access, I'm here to make cooking simple, delicious, and very smart. Explore the tools below and let's start cooking with your extra help.